Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. I want to make a quick video on the whole concept of networking, growing, surrounding yourself around like-minded people. Tonight, we are at Fogo de Chao. I don't care about the restaurant. I don't care about the food. I got a competition in 2 days. I could care less about this. But what I do care about is networking. I got the opportunity to connect, to network with like-minded individuals. I've been invited out here by park operators, park managers, investors, entrepreneurs, serial entrepreneurs. Come out, let's connect, let's network, and let's get together. Do you know what happens when that type of clientele gets together? Brainstorm, ideas. Okay, 2 of them already. There's many things that you're going to be able to do in business you cannot add a dollar amount to. How much would it cost for me to go out somewhere and connect with like-minded people? Connect with park owners, operators that are going to bring value. We're going to go out and implement, most likely connect and do deals together. You see, a lot of times people look at these things like, oh, it's a waste of time, man. I got other things to do. I'm busy. It's Wednesday night, football time. It's $50. I don't want to sit there and eat all the meat you want. You're looking at it all wrong. Again, I don't care about the Fogo de Chao. Can't even pronounce that right. I don't care. I don't care about the all-you-can-eat meat. I care about the connections. Because every time I've connected with a group of like-minded people, great things happen. Deals happen. Success happens. And you know what's even better than that? Passive income happens. Dollar bills. Getting paid. Who's got my money? Right? And that's what we're doing out here for good purposes. We're contributing. We're adding value to each other. Get out. Network. Stop looking at things as a waste of time. If you got time to sit there and watch a whole Netflix TV series, you got time to watch a whole football game, or kick it with the guys at the bar or at the pool grilling cheap burgers, you got time to grow and build your future for a better, greater tomorrow. Don't even do it about you. Do it for your family, for your loved ones, because they deserve a better you. That's my message for you today. I brought it. I know. Jay got raw with us today. He got serious. He ain't playing with us. I got a lot of YouTube series hits. You're going to like them. Because it is going to bring the raw, unedited. It's going to bring the real versions of. And that's what we need. You know, my coach and mentors would say many times, is like, Jay, what you need is a kick in the rear. You need a kick in the rear that is going to push you to a better, greater, more. You got to step up with it. Front row already. We got Mario Datillo.
What's up, brother?
I told you he was going to bring it.
I'm a photobomb your stuff.
You're good. Till next video.